Greetings, my friends in MED 542, Assessment and Instruction of Students with Developmental Disabilities. This is week 6, and this week there are 3 key concepts that will be addressed. The aspect of communication, assistive technology, and yes, I have some more information for you about assessment of students with significant disabilities. Let's start first with the assessment piece. In Pennsylvania, we have a system called PASA. It stands for Pennsylvania Alternate System of Assessment, and that is the assessment component, the standardized assessment test that is given to students with developmental disabilities. And it is often questioned why we would assess students using this standardized system. And while I can understand that there are questions pertaining to that, I think it's important that we look at the fact that our culture now demands that accountability and that we do have expectations for all of our students. So that's a huge component and rationale behind why we look at this standardized assessment for students with developmental disabilities. With that said, this week you will be able to complete a training in the PASA itself, and that is through a webinar that's offered by PTAN, Pennsylvania Training and Technical Assistance Network. You'll also have the opportunity to watch a brief video on assistive technology, understanding what that means in its relationship to communication, but also in helping students and adults as they transition in and out of public school and into the life within the community as an adult, what technology is necessary for them to function in the world. So we'll take a look at that brief video, and then you'll have a discussion question to answer about assistive technology. You'll also have the chance to read about and learn a little bit more about the communication needs of students with developmental disabilities. And communication is the biggest factor when we take a look at these children. When we get beyond the health concerns that many of these students face, the next most important aspect of their learning, from my perspective, is communication, their ability to understand, which is receptive, and their ability to express, or to speak or to write. That's their expressive language, their ability to express themselves or to communicate. So communication is vitally important to these students. And how do we achieve that? So you will have information to read about that and respond to in this week's session. I wish you an excellent week, and I will see you again in week 7 when we will be taking a look at your presentations. If you have any questions, please contact me through our message board.